So guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Ryzen 5 3400G. Let the camera focus for a second. Yes, focus. Uh, yes, we have Ryzen 5 3400G. This is our processor, and it will look. Seal is already open. Pause of open box delivery. Let's unlock this. That I packed this for you. This is our cover. Small documentation. This is our processor. We get these stickers and these two stickers. Very nice. Let's keep this pride for a moment. The thing I am more interested in is this cooler. This is thicker than average your AMD coolers, I think. Oh, there was supposed to be a thermal paste, but I wiped it off because it was very little and half dried up. So I think it was better to remove this thermal paste and apply my own thermal paste, which I bought for around $3, around 300 INR. So as you can see, this is a lot taller than average AMD coolers. Like normally these are here, this is a little bit higher, and also this is a little bit more heavier. Okay, this is right for you can see you have to remove your old AMD brackets to install this, because these doesn't need your AMD brackets, which used to be like compatible with your AM2 or AM3 platform, which was very old. Let's see. And here is our processor. Let's be careful to not bend any pins. And we can see we have a lot of pins here. Just be careful not to bend any. So let's install this in our motherboard. So here is our motherboard. Let's keep this on a side. So here you can see the park to install the CPU in this orientation. Otherwise you can just figure out by seeing the pin, because there is one pin missing. So this is where you install your CPU. Let's first remove this bracket. Yes, this is how it goes. As you can see, this is not moving anymore. Don't apply any pressure. Your CPU is locked in. It is not moving anywhere. You can see. So let's install our cooler. This is our cooler. To install this cooler, we would need some tools. Here's our CPU case.